Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we start the lesson number 2, the basic qaida. And today we start the lesson number 2, join the letters. Join letters. We read in this lesson join the alphabets connected connected with alphabets. The first we start very easy. The first lesson is connected this one lesson. This one is very simple. The last lesson, the first letter is Alif. And the next one is two letters are connected. The purple one is Lam, and the Lam connected the black one is Alif. So we read Lam Alif. Same Lam Alif. And this one is the pink one, and one dot down. The one dot down letter name is Ba, and one dot down is Ba, and Ba connect with Alif. So Ba Alif. And this one is different shape, but this one is Lam Alif. So we introduce in this lesson the different shapes of the alphabets. Okay, this one is Lam, very easy, the previous lesson letter. And this one is again Lam Alif, different shape of Lam Alif. And this one is two letters are connected. The purple one is Lam, and Lam connect with this one is no dot is Ha. So Lam Ha. And this one is same like Lam Alif, same. Lam Alif. This one is three letters are connected. First one is one dot down, Ba, and the purple one is Lam. Ba connect with Lam, Ba Lam, and the last connect with again one dot down, Ba. Say Ba Lam Ba. And the next one is this one, very easy, the previous lesson letter Kaf. And next one Kaf. Look, same sound but different shape of Kaf. And this one is again first purple one is two letters are connected. This one is Kaf, and the Kaf connect with Ba. One dot down is Ba. Next one again Kaf Ba. This one is two letters are connected. First one, the purple one is Kaf, and Kaf connect with Alif. So Kaf Alif. And this one is same but different shape, Kaf Alif. Three letters are connected. First one dot down, Ba. Ba connect with the purple one is Kaf, Ba Kaf, and two dot up is Ta. So Ba Kaf Ta. And the next one, two dot up is Ta, and Ta connect with Kaf. So Ta Kaf, and the last three dot up letter name is Sa. Ta Kaf Sa. Together sound Ta Kaf Sa. And one dot down Ba, two dot up Ta, three dot up is Sa, one dot up is Noon, and this one is Ya. And this one is two letters are connected, very easy. One dot down is Ba, and Ba connect with Alif. So we read Ba Alif. And this one is first one is Noon, and Noon connect with Alif. So Noon Alif. And this one is two dot up is Ta, and Ta connect with Alif. So Ta Alif. And this one is two dot down is Ya, and Ya connect with Alif. Ya Alif. And this one is three dot up is Sa, and Sa connect with Alif. Sa Alif. And the next lesson, Ba connect with Seen letters. So one dot down is Ba, and Ba connect with Seen. And next letter is two dot down is Ya, and Ya connect with Seen. And the next one, this one is one dot up is Noon, and Noon connect with Seen. And the next one is two dot up is Ta, and Ta connect with Seen. And the next one is Tha, and the Tha connect with Seen. And this one is three dot up is Tha, and Tha connect with Jeem. Tha Jeem. And two dot up is Ta, and Ta connect with Ha. Ta Ha. And the next part of this lesson we practice the next video. So Allah Hafiz.